Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Is another beautiful tutorial for you guys. So on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful gele. If today is your first time stopping by my channel, you are so welcome to this great family. Remember to subscribe, and when you subscribe, do click on the notification bell. When you do so, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So for this gele, I'm using ashoke for this gele, the normal ashoke that you know, and is the normal length as well. So guys, this gele is going to come out with V shades. So I believe by now we all know how to form our V shades. So guys, to tie this gele, I'm going to be making this gele 80-20 ratio. The 20 will be small, while the 80 is the longer parts. When I'm done, I'm going to start from the back, place the gele from the back. You can form your plates before you do that, or you place the gele and start your plates. So the number of plates I formed here is 6. 6 plates on the side of the 80 and 6 on the side of the 20. Make sure you arrange it very well. When you are done, you trace it down. So guys, the next thing I'll do now is to come up with the 20 parts of this gele. Like I told you, you have to plait 6 here as well. So guys, if you have not watched the last video I made, please kindly go and watch it. It's there for you. So when you are done, the next thing you will do is to pin it down. Use your office pin or whichever pins you decided to use to hold it very well. Then after that, you are going to come up with the 80. Remember, if you are coming up with the 80, you have to press the foundational gele down to make sure that it's firm. So you start forming your plates. Form your plates with the 80 to add to the ones that you have pleated already. So the fan gele that is going to come up with on this particular side of the gele is going to be very short. It's not a bold fan gele. So I've started plaiting my fan. Plate. Plait your fan. Gradually you get to the end of the fan. That is where the gele stopped. So the next thing I do is pin it down. Pin it very well in a way that it will not pull when you remove your hand. So guys, I'm going to raise this side up, the remaining part of the gele. After I form my fan, I'm going to raise it up. I don't know, I'm just playing with the gele here. I believe you can do that as well. So in this part, I'm using my pins. So you have to use your pin, enough pin to pin it. So I'm going to take the end of the remaining parts and pin it at the back. Reasons is because I want it to give me that shape of round gele. So the next thing I'll do is to arrange it well, then pin it with the fan to make both of them look together. Then I'll start arranging it. So when you fold from inside, you pin to give the gele that flower look. Then I'll draw the other side to make the both sides look equal. Final arrangement. This gele is so simple. Push it back, do your final arrangement. You just have to monitor the gele, look at it very well. This is the back of the gele. It's open. If you wish, maybe if you have your like weave on or you plaited your hair, you can just bring it out from this open. But if you want it covered, you can drop down, open it, cover it, and use your office pins to pin it. And that is all for this tutorial, guys. If you love this video, please give your girl a thumbs up. Please